Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. A project manager has been assigned to a new project that will be delivered using an agile framework. The sponsor is asking for a cost estimation to build the business case. What should the project manager do? Option A. Ensure the client representative is involved in the estimation. Option B. Ensure that a 20% contingency is included in the estimation. Option C. Review the completion costs of similar projects. Option D. Review the lessons learned from similar projects. To provide a cost estimation for the business case in an agile project, it is most effective to review the completion costs of similar projects. This approach relies on historical data, which offers concrete insights into the expected resources and budget needed based on past experiences. Benchmarking against similar projects allows for more realistic and evidence-based cost estimates, making it the most straightforward method to determine an accurate cost estimation. Question 2. A company has undertaken a large transformation project in preparation for the changing economy. During the planning of the transformation project, the key resource from human resources refuses to approve the proposed project plan. What should the project manager do to gain an understanding of the cause for the resource's refusal? Option A. Speak with their colleague. Option B. Communicate with their supervisor. Option C. Speak directly with the resource. Option D. Organize a team meeting. The best approach for the project manager to understand the cause for the key resource's refusal is to speak directly with the resource. This direct communication allows the project manager to address specific concerns, clarify any misunderstandings, and work toward a solution. Speaking directly ensures that the project manager gets first-hand information and demonstrates a collaborative and empathetic approach. Question 3. For the purposes of quality assurance, a quality audit was conducted on the processes being used in the project execution plan. One of the non-conformance issues raised by the auditor was that attendance lists for the project risk review meetings were not available. Why is an attendance list important? Option A. It is standard practice on projects to conduct risk review meetings, which should have records on meeting attendance. Option B. The attendance list is evidence that risk review meetings were held with the appropriate project team members. Option C. It is a record that shows the number of attendees in the meeting. Option D. It is a document that is registered within the Lessons Learned Register. The attendance list is important because it serves as evidence that risk review meetings were held with the appropriate project team members. This ensures that all relevant stakeholders and team members who need to be involved in the risk management process are indeed participating, thereby supporting the project's ability to effectively identify and manage risks. Question 4. A facility extension project is in the execution stage. There is a project activity to connect the power of all new equipment to an existing facility, point A, which requires a significant cable length. The construction team found that the power could be connected to point B and save money. What should the project manager do next? Option A. Perform a cost-benefit analysis to evaluate using the point B option. Option B. Add the issue to the change log and request additional budget through the change control board. Option C. Seek a decision from the construction team after explaining the project budget and schedule constraint. Option D. Use the point B option because it will save the project cost and time. The project manager should add the issue to the change log and request additional budget through the change control board. The reason is that any significant change to the project plan, such as connecting to a different point, must be formally evaluated and approved through the project's change control process. This ensures that all impacts to budget, schedule, and scope are properly considered and documented. Question 5. A project manager is leading a project that is in an advanced stage. All high-level risks identified in the risk management plan have been resolved or are no longer a risk for the project. Only low-level risks remain. What should the project manager do now? Option A. Reclassify low-level risks as high-level risks. Option B. Notify stakeholders that all high-level risks have been resolved. Option C. Reduce the priority of project risks as all remaining risks are low-level. Option D. Reevaluate identified risk and update the risk register. The project manager should reevaluate identified risks and update the risk register. Although only low-level risks remain, it is essential to constantly monitor and assess all risks throughout the project lifecycle to ensure that they remain low-level and to identify any new risks that may arise. This ongoing risk management process helps to maintain the overall health of the project and prevents any overlooked risks from escalating. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.